In this video we're going to show you how the IQ Energy app integrates with PlanUp. Firstly, open PlanUp and check that you're logged in correctly. You can check this in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once done, close the app and select to go into the IQ Energy app from Quidos. Start a new EPC survey and input all of the data that you normally would when starting the survey, including the address and the property details. Let's speed this part up a little bit. Once done, hit the menu option in the top left hand corner and select Floor Plan, and this will open up the screen where you can start the integration with PlanUp. Here you'll see a big green button that says Create Floor Plan, and that will open PlanUp. Now for this plan we're going to use an existing file, however you can start from scratch. You can also access our Plan Vault when you select to use an existing plan. However, for this example we're just going to make a copy of an existing plan. When selecting a previous plan, read the next text carefully. Select Yes to make a copy and then use this plan for your survey. A credit will be used in this instance, or select No just to use the plan. Once you've selected your plan, you can go into it and make any amendments you require from the original file. You can enter all of your EPC data, including all of the new data for windows, doors, radiators, heat loss walls, and even the construction types. Also, don't forget to add your lighting counts. For information on capturing more of the EPC data, we've linked a video in the top right corner. Once you're done, hit Finish in the bottom right hand corner and all of the data will be ported into your survey. From here, you can check all of the data that's been imported. For example, here you can see the lighting counts. And you can also then complete the rest of your survey as you normally would. You can access this via the menu on the top left hand corner. We're now going to speed up the data collection process for the EPC survey as a whole. Obviously, for more information on how to collect the data and use the IQ Energy app, please contact Quidos directly. In the description below, you'll find a link to the Quidos website as well as an email and phone number where you can get in touch with their awesome support team. Right, let's move on to completing the survey and uploading your floor plan. Once you're happy you've completed your plan and you've got all of the green ticks, hit Results and Upload Report with Floor Plan. This will upload your report and PlanUp will attach an EPC compliant floor plan to your survey. Once successfully calculated, you can then view the EPC preview. Once previewed, you'll then be able to lodge your survey. When you select to lodge your survey, all of your evidence, including a PlanUp EPC compliant floor plan, will be attached. That's it, that's the integration complete. You can even go back into PlanUp and now check your plan. For example, if later down the line you're audited and you need to make changes, or if the plan is going to be used for a marketing plan, you can select the plan from your plan list, go into the plan and edit it as you need. Remember that this is just phase 1 of the data integration between Quidos and PlanUp. If there have been further improvements on the data that's collected between the two apps, there'll be a pop-up in the right hand corner now. We hope you found this video useful, and if you do have any questions about this integration, please feel free to contact our support team. Again, their details are in the description below.